Alright, little quick Monday night update for you guys. I know I haven't put a video up here in a little while. Here's Buddy Boy down here. Got Jessie. She's hanging out over there on the Broncos seat. She doesn't know what to do. But haven't been down here in the shop a whole lot. Got the old Tahoe down here. I got a video coming out. It's part of it. I had to replace the thermostat, changing the oil in it. Just little things. She needed some medical attention, so getting her all tuned up. What, you want out, Jess? All right, let's go out. Let's go out. Abby's not down here. She's up with Jill right now. The 7.3 IDI diesel crew cab 1-ton truck. She's sitting right out there. She fired up with no problem today. Backed her out of here. The green truck, probably can't see it, it's sitting right over there, and let it warm up for a while. Hasn't been driven for a while, but so I let it warm up, circulate the fluids and all that kind of stuff. Buddy's trying to get out of the door. He's right here. I know he is. There he goes. Okay. No, I've just been down here. This thing was running way cool. Like way cool, and I think the thermostat was stuck open. It was only doing like 125 to 135 degrees. I got a video coming out, a little more on that, but replaced the thermostat in that, and now I'm doing an oil change. It was way overdue for an oil change, and I'm putting some miles on that now that I have to go up and get my daughter, go up and get her every weekend, and putting some miles on her now, so I need to take a little bit better care of the old Tahoe. Might be getting something new here sometime, but for now, I mean, she's running good. Just she was running kind of cold, and that's not good on an engine to run cold. You know, it has a 195 thermostat, what she's supposed to run, and she was getting up to like 125, 135. So put a new thermostat in it, and I parked her outside here, and seems to be doing good. She got up to temp, and I'd rev her up, get everything warmed up, and it would go down. The temperature gauge would go down like it's supposed to, and everything. So I think that was the problem. Can't quite see what the issue is. I thought maybe when I took that one part out of it, the one. Well, can't really get over here very good, but I don't know how good the lighting is going to be here, but right down in there, that's aluminum that goes down into the block, and I think when I changed that out, got a couple of chunks down in there. I thought maybe there was a chunk of stuff floating around in the antifreeze that got into the thermostat and was holding it open. I really can't see a whole lot wrong with this thing. I don't know. I mean, she doesn't look good. It's full of stuff, but things seem to move. So I don't know. I don't know what the deal was with that. But I put a new one in, and that seems to have fixed the problem. But been working on a new video. Probably have it out tomorrow. I plan on editing that in the morning, getting it out sometime tomorrow, on just what I've been doing. Like I said, I haven't been down here in the shop a whole lot. I got this door here. Haven't done a darn thing with that since I think I did an update video or something on that. Got the bed liner, or most of it, off down here. Gonna flip it over and take the bed liner off the other side, and might pull in one of the back doors and work on it, just show how I'm going to prep those for paint. Like to get them primered and ready to go on the truck. My son, his birthday was last week, and he was asking if I had the new doors on the truck, which no, I don't, because before I put the new doors on, I want to do the cab corners, and there's part of the rocker panels need replaced, part of the floor needs replaced in that truck, and a bed. And I was looking at, well, actually the guy that I got that truck from sent me a link And there was a rust-free bed here. Well, it was about an hour and 20 minutes away in Iowa for that truck. Had a rust-free bed, and by the time I contacted him, it was already sold. Only $500, and what are you doing there, cat? But only $500, and I thought, holy cow, if I could get that, that would be awesome. But it was already gone. They're just really hard to come by up here, but might start working on these doors. These would be a lot easier than the front doors because they have that bed liner along the bottom. But that's what's going on here at the Fox shop tonight. I do have a video on, I have a video cooking on the griddle that is ready to go up. I actually, you probably can't see it, I burned the crap out of my fingers on that thing the other night. I actually went to the emergency room and had them all wrapped up and got some medicine and stuff. It lasted about 2 days, and they're getting better. Just kind of feels like dead skin. But anyway, need to get back to work on the doors. Just kind of been taking a little bit of time off here. Just other things going on. Got Mama Kitty over there. I think she's going to have kittens here pretty soon, but she's not going to have them in here. So I hope the weather holds out and they live. But yeah, tear up the Bronco seat. Why don't you just do that? That's fine. Okay. Anyway, that's what's going on here tonight, guys. What are you all up to tonight? I need to get that jacked back up and the plug-in oil filter on and get it full of new oil, and should be good to go. Right now the temperature out, last I looked, it was 38. It's probably about 36 right now. We're supposed to be back up into the 40s in the next couple days. Get rid of some of the snow that we've got out here. I'd really like to get to work on that truck. Jessie's out barking at something. I don't know where she is or what she's barking at, but I'd like to get working on that truck, and that could be a really, really pretty truck. But anyhow, guys, get to work on these doors, and I'm getting back in the shop where it's warm. There's Mama, you need to go out. There you go. All right. So anyway, I'm gonna get this jack back up, new oil in it, new filter on it, and it should be good to go. Everything else looks good. Well, I do need to grease the U-joints on it. It's got greasable U-joints. I need to do that. And other than that, I think we're good to go. So I hope you're all having a good night. I know I haven't put a video up here in a while, and hopefully that's gonna change here real soon. Should be, probably another month or so, there's going to be a little bit different video coming out that I hope you all like. But anyway, guys, I'm rambling on here, so Jesse's barking at something. But anyway, we will, I don't know, Buddy doesn't seem too excited. But anyway, hey, Jess. That's what's going on here. I need to get the Tahoe out of here. The other truck's back in here. And we'll catch you next time. Bye-bye.